Macaws, known for their vibrant plumage and charismatic personalities, are large parrots native to Central and South America. These colorful birds belong to the family Psittacidae, with several species recognized for their striking blue, red, yellow, and green feathers. Macaws inhabit tropical forests, savannas, and swamps, where they form strong social bonds and live in pairs or small family groups. They are highly intelligent and capable of complex vocalizations, including loud squawks and calls that carry over long distances, aiding in communication within their flocks. Macaws are primarily herbivorous, feeding on fruits, seeds, nuts, and vegetation, using their powerful beaks to crack open tough shells. Some species, like the hyacinth macaw, are known for their specialized diet, which includes palm nuts rich in fats and oils. These birds